Hello everyone and welcome to Miranda Detailing. So today we are working on this huge F250 truck crew cab. It's black with just a little bit of blue pearl in it. You can barely pick it up when the LEDs hit it. But unfortunately it was marred up pretty bad by an aggressive clay bar service done by another person. So what we're looking at today is a single stage, so our gloss enhancement. In some areas it needs a couple of more hits, in other areas it's light and one single polishing pass or a few polishing passes can get it out. So let's take a look at the paint. Okay, let's get rid of that ugly marring. we are working our way around the truck, and as you can see, a couple of heavy hits with HD speed and the orange cutting pad, and it is eliminating all of that horrible marring from clay bar or clay mitt or whatever they used. Looking much better. There's just a little bit of residue that needs to be wiped off. So the gloss enhancement, there's some more residue. It hasn't been waxed yet, so once I go through and wax it and wipe it, that will be gone. But it still has some deeper scratches, which unfortunately a black truck with soft black paint is going to have. And again, that's just residue that'll wipe off. But the results are looking great. Now here, the passenger side, ugh, horrible. That is horrible. The top surfaces really weren't that bad. There was just some water spotting. That's just a little bit of residue. But these at the sides are really bad. So here's the passenger side. A lot of that marring from the aggressive clay barring or clay mitts. On soft paint like this, you need to at least do a one-step polish after. There's no way around it. Okay guys, we are finished. Now it's looking really nice. Again, this is our gloss enhancement or our paint enhancement. It's a single stage polish to reduce and in some cases get rid of swirls completely. And what's left is some of the deeper stuff. All of that nasty marring is now gone. It is looking really nice. There's just a little bit of residue that needs to be wiped. It's really hot today and a little humid, so wiping away polishes and waxes are a little bit annoying. So if you remembered it from before, okay guys, that's going to do it for this truck. It is now complete. So it received our gloss enhancement polish to get rid of that ugly marring that was left over by an aggressive clay bar or clay mitt from another person who did it previously. So now it is looking glossy and slick and as defect free as possible. So hope you enjoyed the video guys. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like if you have enjoyed it, share it with others who also would enjoy videos like this. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click that button. That way you get notifications when our videos drop each week. So hope you guys have a good day. Take care.